Hi guys, my name is Anasi. I'm the Admission and Athletic Recruiter here at FNU. Today I'm going to go step by step on how to fill out the enrollment application. Also, basically make sure to remember that you have to have your access code in order to access this application. We'll send you one email with a student ID, which will be your access code, and then you'll receive a second email where you'll open the document, and from there you'll be able to do the application. But today, how I said, we will go step by step on how to fill it out. So guys, once you put your access code, the application is going to pop up. This is the page. The first thing you're going to write is your address, the city. Make sure that if it's the state and if it's somewhere else, not in the country, basically you'll put foreign country, which is the last option for you. So any other country will be in that category. Make sure to write your phone number for home and cell phone, as well as your citizenship status. Let us know will you qualify under that. Make sure to also mention if you're getting an I-20 with us, because the process will be a little bit different. And the next portion is going to be the university data. With this, it's just telling you what term you're going to be starting school. You could definitely look into your catalogs on fnu.edu to know a little bit more as to like the start dates. For example, one of them will be fall term A. Make sure you specify what type of degree you'll be getting. In this case, for athletes, it's Bachelor in Science or Master's. For the campus location, make sure to put Hialeah campus. And then for the program, make sure you put the program that you're planning to study. If you're a little doubtful as to what program you'll be pursuing, go to fnu.edu. There we have a list of programs, we have the courses, we have the concentrations for each program that has concentrations. So it's a little bit more detailed. Once you come back to the school, you'll be able to change the major if you decide to. The next portion is educational data. In this portion, you're gonna write your high school and the country of your high school. And the next portion is gonna be enrollment acknowledgement. Make sure to read this print and sign. So the next portion of our application is the employability acknowledgement. With this application, basically is stating that there's certain conditions in which could limit your employability. So next to each statement, make sure to initial. At the bottom, make sure to sign. So the next part of our application is the personal data sheet. So this is going to be the list of references. You have to make sure you have 3 references. This could be friends, it could be family members, coaches, teachers, anybody that personally knows you. Make sure that each reference has a different address to the address that you're going to put for yourself, as well as that each reference has a different address from each other. Make sure you have a different phone number as well for each. Specify everything, their name, and all their personal information. So our next portion of the application is request for transcript. We do require your high school diploma. So on here, you can put the high school you went to, their address, what date you went to this school, also your student information, so we could request a transcript for you so we could receive it on our end. Make sure to sign. For this part of the application is the general information, rules, and obligations. Make sure to click the link www.fnu.edu where you'll be able to access our university catalog. With this catalog, we have these different statements that we want you to be aware of. Please read them carefully, and once you read them, initial on the left. And the last thing will be to sign on the bottom. You're going to also put your student ID number that was given to you in the email, which was the access code. Make sure to click finish. Once you put finish, you don't have to worry about printing it out or downloading it. It will go automatically to the school. If you do want to have a copy for yourself, make sure to click print.